welcome to True Students' newest property to join our award-winning brand. This is True Liverpool. This that you can see me stood in is one of our true suite room types. So these rooms are a studio style room where you get an ensuite bedroom and a kitchenette within your large room space. These rooms are about 24 square metres in size, so it means you have loads of space for you to enjoy, for you to relax in, and again, you can enjoy it with your partner as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about every feature you will find when you move into your room in September. Starting first, we're going to show you your ensuite bathroom. So every room we have here is an ensuite. We don't believe in sharing a bathroom and we don't want you to either. But this room and this bathroom, you can see it's a lovely light space. It's tiled throughout. You have your toilet, a shelf and a towel rail. This shelf's really good for putting your perfumes or your makeup or whatever you want on there. Then you have a sink and a mirror. And last but not least, you have your own shower. I'm gonna take this off the cameraman and give you a closer look. So you have your shower cubicle here, your mirror, hello there, sink, toilet, shelf, and of course your towel rail. So giving you back to my lovely cameraman, I'm gonna now show you further around the room space. Okay, so when you walk out of your ensuite bathroom, which is here, you will see that you get to your wardrobe space. So this is a great place, of course, for you to hang your clothes and store your clothes whilst you're staying with us. This rack to the top is where you can hang your hanging items, so that's your rail. You then have 2 large shelves to the top and 3 large shelves to the bottom. Additionally to this space, you have even more storage further around the corner. So this here, you can see is your desk area. So you'll be living with us because you'll be studying at one of the fantastic universities that Liverpool has to offer. So studying is going to be pretty important. So this desk space will probably be used quite a lot. As you can see, there's a large pinboard to the back, which you can use to make your own. Make it personalised to you. Put photos, posters, your university timetable, whatever you want, you can personalise this to you. You have 2 really large shelves to the top, of course a super large desk space with plugging stations to the side, which also have a USB plug as well, so great for charging your appliances, your phone, your iPad, whatever you'd like. You've got a super comfortable desk chair with a good back support, and we also supply you with a waste paper bin. Then moving on round, you can see you get your large double bed, but you also get a bedside unit. So here you've got drawers, you've got shelves, and of course a large shelf to the top. Great for putting your book down after you've been reading at night, or somewhere for you to put your phone when you're going to sleep. Then of course you get your large full-size double bed. We don't do half measures here, this is a full double. It is also included a true luxury mattress. So we've done a lot of testing on our mattresses and we hope, we're definitely sure you'll have a good night's sleep whilst you're staying here. This is a Ottoman bed. And what that simply means is you can lift the bed up and you have tons of storage under there. You can see you've got loads of big spaces at the back that you can store your suitcases, big boxes, your shoes, whatever you want out the way, shove it under there and simply close it down. It's also on hydraulic springs, so it's not heavy either. Then you can see here, you have a large blackout curtain. This is really good for if you want to have a bit of an afternoon nap, or if you want to have a lie-in on Saturday and you don't want the sunshine coming into your room. This curtain will be amazing for you. Of course, behind it you have a super big window, which you can also open so you can get fresh air in here. Don't mind what's behind me. We are a development and we are going to be ready for September 2021. So the lads are out there just making sure everything's perfect. Okay, walking further on into the room, you can see that you have a lovely seating area here. So this chair is going to be included in our True Suite rooms, and it's just a different area where you can read a book, you can do some studying. It's just somewhere separate to sit rather than your bed or your desk. Then walking here, you can see that you have a wall-mounted panel heater. So this is what's going to keep you warm in the winter. You can control the heat just by the top here, and you can make the room and the space as warm or as cold as you would like it to be. Then you can see you've got a full-size mirror. You've also got plug sockets to the side there, so you can use your hairstylers, your hairdryers, whatever. Make sure you're looking good before you leave to university in the morning. And then walking on back through, you get to your large kitchen space. So as you can see, there's tons and tons of cupboard and storage areas. Great for hiding away your pots, your pans, your grocery, your pasta, whatever you want, you can hide them all outside for you. For example, I'm going to show you here. Open it on up. I've put some pots and pans in there that you can then use for your 2-ring electric hob. So this is where you can cook all your meat, you can fry up your bacon, whatever you fancy. And it also comes with a fully integrated extraction fan. So because you are living and cooking in the same space, we believe that you want a really good extraction to suck away all those lovely cooking smells when you're sleeping at night. So this will certainly do that for you. Moving further on into this space, you can see you've got a lovely quartz style kitchen top, which is really nice and long, and of course very easily to clean down as well. You've then got a large sink with a draining section to the side, so great for washing up your pots and your pans after you finish cooking. And then you've got loads of plug sockets to the back that you can use for your own electrical items. We've included these here just as a demonstration, but we have a really good feature where we work really closely with a company called Uni Kit Out. And just by being a True student, you get 10% off all of their items. So you can get yourself a kettle, a toaster, a rice cooker, whatever you want. You can order that beforehand and get it delivered to your room even before you move in. So it's here ready to welcome you when you arrive in September. Moving on further into the space, you can see that you've got a microwave combi grill here. So this is as well going to help you cook as well as your hob. Then last but not least, down here you've got your integrated fridge and freezer space. It's all brand new, it's got all the packaging still on, just because you're going to be the first one to use it when you're here in September. Last but not least, you can see that you've got some great coat hooks here. So when you come in from university, you can hang your coats up, hang your bag up, put it all out of the way and enjoy your space and relax in your area here. Thank you very much for staying tuned to our True Suite room type. If you have any questions, then please get in touch with the team who will be able to assist you.